The newly opened Gracious Pig in Surfside Beach, South Carolina. Let's go check it out.
That's right, we're back in Surfside Beach, South Carolina to check out the brand new Gracious Pig Smokehouse. If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit that bell to keep up with new videos that we post each week so you can keep beaching. The Gracious Pig Smokehouse is located on 14 Ocean Boulevard South in the central hub and heart of Surfside Beach. For months now, we've been waiting on this place to open. And every time we passed by, we knew that it was just a matter of time. And then suddenly, last month, bam, it's in full swing. And after tasting the food, it was definitely worth the wait. This rustic service station themed smokehouse serves up locally sourced meats and produce. Hours of operation are daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. And it's not just the outside that has that rustic feel. The inside continues with the same theme. Here's a place right on the beaten path where friends and family can enjoy food and fun. Offering more than just barbecue, they have outstanding appetizers, sandwiches, plates, salads, and all sorts of delicious sides. All of their in-house smoked meats gets hit with a kiss of cherry wood in the smoker before making their way to your plate. And their sides are the best country-style barbecue fixings that you'll ever put in your mouth. We started with boiled peanuts as an appetizer, which were really hot and flavorful. Then she ordered the pulled pork with 2 sides, with the Sneaky Reaper sauce. And I got a similar plate with the South Carolina mustard-based sauce. And as a full-service smokehouse, their drink menu is extensive, serving everything from whiskey and vodkas to beer and moonshine. Check out the Heat Wave with Old Smoky Mango Habanero Whiskey. Oh my gracious, the next time you're in Surfside Beach, try out the Gracious Pig. And as always, keep beaching.